look, I ain't never lost no lock. I don't want to lose no locks. So I'm going to try to keep all the locks that I got. What's good, YouTube? I am your boy, MoBey, and this is a channel where you learn how to keep it locked, keep it healthy. So, we're going to be talking about a lock update. Yes, I haven't been retwisting my hair. As you see, I've started a process. I am not finished. That's why I said started. I didn't finish. The back is undone. The reason why is because I started my retwist, right? Cool. Started off. Boom. Get it. You know what I'm talking about? I got all of this. Some of that. I got to the back. I felt on some locks that were a little bit thinner than they supposed to be. Now, as far as me having my hair loose, the new growth out, you saw it. A lot of times I'll run my hair through my lock and I'll hear and I don't pay it no mind. I'm like, all right, cool. Now, when I go to retwist, all those loose hairs is from me doing that and breaking them hairs off. So there's a few locks that are very small in comparison to the rest of it that I don't want to mess up, as far as, you know, putting the wrong hairs to the wrong lock and making the lock too thin to where it might break the f off. Now, look, I ain't never lost no lock. I don't want to lose no locks. So I'm going to try to keep all the locks that I got. So this is why I'm trying to preserve the locks that are thinning. You know what I'm talking about? So I need some help. I'm going to get Babe to retwist my locks tonight. Finish up the back. I'm going to be good. I'm going to be intact. You know what I'm talking about? So, with that being said, if you need help, get help. If you need to hit a salon, hit a salon. Ain't no shame in no game. You know what I'm talking about? If you need to hit somebody up that you used to fuck with, don't fuck with no more, but they do hair, gotta hit them bitches up because they'll take care. Do that. Just don't have no shame in your game. Go ahead, get yourself right, do what you need to do. You know what I'm talking about? Now, if you feel like it's super thin, you may need to combine that bitch with something else. Now, as you see, I got some loose ass hair back here, right? I don't want to mess with it and put it with the wrong thing. Of course, I haven't tried any styles. I was thinking about going with another barrel twist. I don't know. What do you guys suggest? I don't know. I don't really do any styles. I like less tension on my hair. I'll throw it up at work or something like that. Half ponytail. I try to keep my hair out loose, free flowing, you know? I just wanted long hair, honestly. I just didn't want cornrows. I didn't want to keep having to do something with my hair. That's why I got locks. Hair dyeing. I'm thinking about going with a burgundy look. You see my boy Tanjiro? Look, I'm thinking about going with a burgundy look. Buy me a flannel. Get me a samurai sword, you know what I'm saying? Kunai or something like that. I don't know. And I'm going to be a demon slayer for Halloween or some shit like that. I don't know. I might try it out. I might get the chalk to put on my hair. I don't know. I might go ahead and get the dye. I don't know how it's gonna look. I always had just done the tips. I did orange and I did burgundy. Now it's sitting like this. I don't mind the golden look. I'm cool with that. It looks natural. But I have nothing else to update or talk about. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know. I will address them however so. And until next time, it's your boy Mo. And I'm out. Peace. Keep it locked, keep it healthy, and stay safe.